Why? Why do we care? Why do we care about, things like correlating heart rate and weight gain and, and any other information that, can potentially change our lives, right? Yes?
Say avoid problems in the future or to take advantage of opportunities.
Yeah, so the answer was avoid problems in the future. So how do we avoid problems in the future? Right? We have to look at the history of how things are done and try to predict the outcome if that history continues, right? And that's predictive analytics in a nutshell, right? And that's what we're trying to do. So we're trying to go from being more of a reactive society to more of a proactive society and try to get things done the way in an improved fashion, right? So some of this stuff, right, is digital. And some of the stuff is still not quite digital yet, right? Some of the stuff is still kind of done the old-fashioned way with phone calls and mailings and word of mouth, direct mail, PR, stuff like that. So the challenge that we have as data architects is figuring out how to take the digital world and the traditional world and putting it all together, right? And why do we want to do that? We want to stop guessing, right? We spend our lives guessing, and we need really smart executives to use their experience, right? That may not be applicable to the future, right? But we want to be able to stop guessing why things are happening the way they're happening, and what's influencing behavior, right? So over the years, we would basically say, whatever caused an event, the very last thing to cause an event, that's what caused the event, right? I made a phone call and somebody came to this class, right? But we missed the fact that maybe before you got that call, you received 3 emails about this class and your friend told you about the class that he took last year, right? And all those little touch points all should be considered because it's the package of things that are actually causing the influence, not just the last one. So over the years, we've tried, just the last one only, and then we would take, all the touch points and try to subjectively divide them up and give each one of them equal credit, or try to do some, business rules to say a little bit more weighting towards the last few things, a little less weighting towards the first few things, and it's all guesswork, never really right. So what we're trying to do is really have the analytics machines tell us exactly what's the best journey for someone to take this class. Excuse me. Got your tweet.